Hello, good morning. We are looking at how to create um, birthday text. So first of all, you have to create your new document. You know how we do it. Go to File, New, and your new document. Click on New. We're using Photoshop 2023. So okay. Now you select the size. I'm using 4 by 4. That's square for Instagram post. I don't want it to be too much because of this is tutorial. Now, when you create your new document, then the next thing is to go to shape, your ellipse tool, go and select your ellipse tool, draw an ellipse tool. Then when you draw that, double click on the icon to change the color. I believe I've thought about it. So when you double click on the icon to change the color, you press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Hold your Alt key and click on the nose to resize it a little so that it will be different. Then double click again to change the color. So as I'm changing the color, we're adding shadow effect. So click on your effect menu and add the shadow effect. Set it according to what you are seeing I'm doing here. Use it and set it because this is for tutorial, but you can do whatever you like according to what you want, but don't make the shadow to be too much. Now after that, when you are done with that, you have to add another shape, which is ellipse shape again. I mean, you have to add a rectangular shape, but this time around we are going to curve it. First of all, change it to the size you want, then unlink it. Click on that unlink, then make two sides of it 0 0. Use the number 0 0 so that it will just be straight, it will be sharp. And next thing you are going to do is to place embedded. Go to file, click on place embedded to import pictures that you are going to use for it. I'm going to use the picture of an actor, which is Yule Dochie. So I'm going to use this picture for this. So it's loading. Just have patience as it loads. It has loaded now. Then the next thing is to resize it and go to the menu and create right click on the shape and click on clipping mask. Just follow up. The next thing is to type your words. I'm using Amsterdam. It's really good for this stuff. So I'm using Amsterdam for the happy. Then for the birthday, I'm going to use iPhone. Okay, I'm going to use a Pepsi. The font Pepsi. That's what I'm going to use for it. So that's for that. You can see it. Just follow up. You can do whatever you want here. Add text. The only way is your clipping mask. So just right click on the image and create clipping mask. But before you add the image, make sure that you click on the shape that you want to add the image before you click on embed, so that it will be easy for you. It will be easier for you. Don't drag. So just follow up with the rest. That's all. There's no big deal about it. I'm just doing copy and duplicate, Ctrl J, or you right click on your layer to duplicate anyhow you want to do it. So I'm not typing the wishes and the other things. I'm just showing you what my major concern here is clipping mask, for you to know how to clip into a shape. So right there, click on file, click on save, and select where you want to save your file and type the name of whatever you want to use to save your file. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.